Hello everyone, today I will be making my quick and easy fettuccine keto and low carb pasta. So straight into the ingredients, I am going to be using the Slim Pasta brand fettuccine konjac pasta. I find these online on Amazon. As they don't taste great, but I found a way to cook these which makes them taste phenomenal. So firstly, make sure to rinse them well under cold water and drain well. Today I will be also using a frying pan. So place the fettuccine pasta into the pan on a medium heat. I'm going to allow any water to evaporate completely. Then I'm going to add some butter and olive oil, then some homemade pesto sauce, which I made using basil, parmesan cheese, olive oil, garlic and pine nuts, and a bit of salt and white pepper. And I mixed it, and now I have my own homemade pesto sauce. I'm going to add some salt to the pasta to taste, then half a teaspoon of white pepper. I'm going to allow the konjac pasta to absorb all the spices, the lovely homemade pesto sauce. That's what makes the konjac pasta taste lovely. And then I'm going to turn down the heat and let's see what we're going to add next. Our fettuccine pasta is now ready. I'm going to serve the pasta with some air-fried salmon. And I'm going to sprinkle some toasted pine nuts and some jalapenos if you like it spicy. And for that little extra special touch, I'm going to put some melted ghee. This gives an absolutely amazing taste to the pasta. It's highly recommended. And lastly, some grated parmesan and some basil. I hope you try out this fettuccine pasta. It really makes the konjac pasta taste great. Like I mentioned, on its own, it doesn't really have any taste, but I found a way to get over this. Let me know your comments, any questions. I'll be happy to help. And until next time.